couldn't help it. I couldn't help myself. That was first follow lap.
Hello YouTube, welcome to today's video. My name is Zach Calvin and we are at Orlando Speed World. So today we are testing the C5 Z06 Corvette. We have Taylor Ray out here and some other people. We're gonna be testing the new FDF kit. I also have been having some serious overheating issues that I hopefully have resolved. So we're gonna be putting that to the test just by hot lapping the crap out of the car. And we're gonna find out real quick if we solved the overheating issues. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing while you're here. So let's go check out some of the cars we'll be driving with today. We're about to go out. Okay. We're getting ready to go out with Taylor. Spicy. Thanks, dude. Oh yeah, Taylor approves. That's what I like to see. Now I'm gonna try to keep up with Taylor. Don't know if I can, but we're gonna give it a shot.
Okay, so I just want to talk about this clip a little bit. It's always interesting to me as I play these clips back just how much of a difference there is in the chase driving between myself and someone that's just a much more skilled driver such as Taylor Ray. When you have a pro caliber driver like Taylor Ray and you're able to get some laps in with them, that is going to give you such great perspective on what.
All right, let's see if we can keep up with this beast of a car. Oh, yeah. gotta go cool my tires off again. This is the only set I have.
Yeah, I'll take a break.
Okay, cool. You want to cool off yours?
Yeah. They still got some light?
Yeah, they got pretty good light.
Oh, fuck. That's exciting.
What do you think about the Vette though?
Dude,
Not bad, right? My driving, I think, improved a little bit.
It's got good, dude.
Yeah.
I'm having fun. The only thing I hate about this layout is like that last turn. It's
It
like
sucks.
you kind of can't really
There's
tandem
nothing
it.
there, yeah. Yeah, after that first lap and we exited, I seen you smile. I was like, all right, that's
No, that
Taylor's
was good,
approval.
dude. I'm having fun.
Yeah.
I did a solo lap where I just stayed on limiter and I killed him in that one lap. The next
Same.
2 laps, they were just ice.
I had nothing that run, and then to make matters worse, when I went 2-3, I missed it.
I heard it. It didn't. I wasn't even. My car. I was ice on
Okay.
ice. So
I was hoping I didn't fuck you up.
no, it worked out.
Sir, have you ever been in a race car before?
First time for everything.
Do you know how to fasten your belt?
Tires are toast, but I'm taking my boy Abe's son out. He's the one that designs the wrap and did the wrap on the Corvette and the Camaro, so we're gonna give him a little taste of drifting. All right, no cars, let's go. How was that? We might have enough tire for one more lap. Oh yeah. Well, that's gonna be all for this video, everyone. I had a blast driving with Taylor and Mark and Andy and Colt and everyone. The Corvette definitely surpassed my expectations. No overheating issues, back-to-back laps. I ultimately ran out of tire because I was running the entire track in 3rd gear, and that wheel speed definitely ate up the tires, but I had a blast. We will freaking see you next time. Thanks for watching. See you later.